can't stand mowing around this, and the weeds are growing nuts in it. We're gonna remove the rocks, get rid of everything, get rid of the flagpole, because we don't fly flags. Sean's doing really good getting the rocks up out of this. I can't say it was a flower bed. It may have been a flower bed at some point, but it had a flagpole in it. We took the flagpole out, but we're moving everything over there. For right now, this is going to be a staging area. We put weed barrier down so that the grass wouldn't grow up, but we're going to put the metal from taking out the radiators from in the house. Metal's going there, and miscellaneous rocks are going there. But here, we're going to surround the perimeter of this with the bigger rocks that we find. And we had a chip load of mulch, a couple of chip loads of mulch dropped off. While we were on vacation in England, a gentleman that we had contacted before we left, we had reached out to him because he does chip drops when he chips trees down. So this is huge. So we've been using that in this area over here that I just cleared up. This is our wellhead, and we want the wellhead protected in case any vehicles, drive into this area for whatever reason. So we put some nice, really big rocks from our property here on the corners. You can see how big these are. This may have been a nice, flower bed at one point. There was so much dirt that collected in the rocks. All this does is just completely cover with weeds. We want to get rid of all of the rock that goes around our house, because all it does is just, especially bindweed, grows in here. This little guy is making a run for it. Got them mowing. Got a little dusty while I was doing it.